Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Morant Bay Urban Center and we are going to talk about the rent that people have to pay for this facility. More specifically, the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. Now that building straight ahead in the middle, we're going to fly over it. That is the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation's building. And guys, do you know how much amount they pay for rent for this building? $10 million a month. This is the building. $10 million a month. I was surprised. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation was paying $300,000 a month for a building in Morant Bay. And then the government built this beautiful urban center. Game changer for this part of the island. And the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation is renting that building. But it wasn't until recent that it was made public that they were paying $10 million a month. So they're going from paying $300,000 a month in rent to paying $10 million a month in rent. And the rent is to be paid in US dollars. So you know the exchange rate changes, so that amount could also go up. So guys, what do you think about this? Now, it's a very nice complex, a very nice building, but $10 million a month? And so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. At the Morant Bay Urban Center, newly opened commercial development in St. Thomas, rent is reported to be very steep, particularly for government or institutional tenants. The St. Thomas Municipal Corporation faced a monthly rent jump from $300,000 a month to $10 million. Okay, that's $10.3 million. With annual 7% increase and pricing denominated in US dollars. Let me read that part again. The St. Thomas Municipal Corporation faced a monthly rent jump from $300,000 to around $10.3 million, with annual 7% increases and pricing denominated in US dollars, meaning further hikes if the dollar weakens. Public sector tenants like the municipal corporation are paying up to $10.3 million a month compared to just $300,000 a month previously. Private sector leases is aimed at a mix of service-based businesses, BPOs, banks, fast food chains, etc., and small enterprises, but specific commercial lease prices aren't published. Leases are US dollar denominated with 7% annual escalation, which means costs could rise significantly over time with currency fluctuations. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. I was very surprised at this. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day. Now before we go, this is a very nice complex. Game changer. But it's just, should a government entity be paying that kind of money in rent? Alright guys, have a good day.